Hey guys, it's me again. I'm doing my 13th, maybe 14th update. Hang on a second, I can tell you. I'm gonna use my fancy YouTube app. That doesn't work. But, hiccup wise, I should be taking my medicine at this moment. But, I'll do it right after this video. This is 14, number 14. So, basically, the last week has been boring. And I've had the same hiccups I've had for like 7 months now. Hold on, April, May, June, July, August, September. Yeah, 7 months now. And so, pretty ridiculous at the moment. The other day I had a test in chemistry and I had to go and take it in the nurse's office, and we got a new nurse, and she's a permanent nurse, guys, permanent nurse, and she's actually pretty cool. We both hate chemistry, although I'm pursuing a future in beauty school in which you use chemistry, but not like where you learn about like all beauty school is chemical reactions, but it's not like chemistry, okay? There's a difference. But yeah, that's pretty much been it. I got this new beanie. I would like green one, but I have to make it stretch it out so it fits my head, because my head's too big. And I straightened my hair for the first time in like 2 months. And it's grown out. And it's going nicely. And it hasn't been this long since like the 6th grade. And I go to see the neurologist at the end of the month, and that would be 6 weeks from when I started the medication, which is when I'm supposed to know if it will have an effect. And right now, nothing's happened. I have Dover Field Show this weekend. Well, not this weekend, but like next weekend. Yeah. So I have to bring my medicine with me. I have to bring a tranquilizer with me, possibly. Not really sure what they're gonna do with me if I have to be medically knocked out. But, you can see my pillow pet in the background. But this is probably like going to be the shortest video ever. I have nothing to tell you. Nothing at all. Absolutely nothing has happened. Just been hiccuping. You know, normal stuff for me. Not for you guys. If this happened to any of you guys, you'd be like, this be cray cray. But yeah, nothing exciting's happened. No magical hiccup stopping, no miracle medicines working, not being tranquilized. Not really much I have left to say. So you can kind of just assume how my week went. If you've been watching this from the beginning, you probably already know. And that's really all I have to say for this video. Sunday, late Sunday. Actually, I'm not even going to say for certain. Either Saturday or Sunday of next week. Saturday, if Dover Field Show gets rained out to Sunday. Sunday, if Dover Field Show does not get rained out to Sunday. I might have some kind of interesting update, considering I'm going to a competitive field show in which I might have an attack. I don't know. You don't know. No one knows. No one's gonna know until I get there. I don't even know what I'm mumbling about right now. You're gonna be so bored when you see this. I apologize so much. I'm gonna go and make my 2 other videos because I have a requested topic that's not really a requested topic, but I don't know what else to call it, so I'm calling it a requested topic. My channel, my choice. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week.